it's Marky. Today I just want to talk about this simple modern mug. This is 50 ounces, so it's really good size. This is insulated with premium stainless steel. I'll show you the inside here. So it's really nicely insulated. It's not too heavy, but you can tell that it's really, really durable. It does have this super slim fitting lid right here. And then on the lid, this right here is where your straws go. So it's really leak resistant, not only the lid, but the straw part too. It does come with 2 straws. So in case, your kid loses one or something, you have a backup. It does have a handle. I love how much it holds. I just think that having such a big one is so nice for things like pool days or camping. I have friends that are nurses that use them and keep them at their nurses station. So I love the size. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a game changer. So anything that's super convenient and easy to clean, I think is always the best option. It's got a bunch of different colors. The handle is ergonomical and really easy to hold. I just think it's great. I've tried a lot of different other insulated mugs. This one keeps my drinks cold for hours and hours. My husband's used it for hot drinks in the morning, like when he's gone hunting or golfing, and he said it keeps it hot for a really long time. I just think it's great. So if you're looking for a new insulated mug that is just going to be easy to clean and hold a lot of whatever you're wanting to drink, I think this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.